In this video, we'll continue to explore the post admin section. In the previous lesson, we covered the basics of a WordPress post, and we covered the published meta box. Now let's continue on to the categories meta box. Categories allow you to organize your posts into meaningful groups. So for example, as we're looking here at the breakfast post that I had done, I could create a category called My Mornings, because obviously a breakfast post would have occurred in the morning. So you may be wondering, why is this important? Why are categories important? Basically, this will give you better results with search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Search engines love content that's organized. And another reason is it makes your content more organized for your readers as well. And I'll show you that in a minute. But for right now, the simplest way to create our category, the My Mornings category that we need, let's click on the lower left-hand side or lower right-hand side and click on Add New Category. And I'll create my mornings. Okay, we have a parent category box here listed, but for right now, let's just click on Add New Category. And we see it appear in the categories box. I'm going to go ahead and click Update to save that change here. Okay, let me explain now. When we click Add New Category, let me explain this parent category feature. Parent categories give you the option of creating a complex set of categories. So for example, I could use this My Mornings category as a parent category and create some child categories like eating, and I'll let my parent category be My Mornings. I'll click Add New Category, and let's see, another one, exercising. My parent category is My Mornings. Okay, so you see this logical representation of eating in the morning in My Mornings or exercising in My Mornings. So that's a good definition or example of a parent category and the child categories below that. Now, if I create a new post, and let's say I call it or title it, I bought a new treadmill. Okay, and I'll say this thing cost me several trips to the bank. Okay, let's say I was doing it in the morning and I was exercising. So this makes a good example of the parent-child categories, which for this website, I don't really feel like it needs to be that detailed. I mean, you can get as detailed as you want, but you may not even need to use child categories. You may just need one category to keep things simple. So, in fact, for this website, let me show you. I just want the My Mornings category. So let me delete the exercising and the eating categories. So I'll go to categories over here below the post admin menu. This is the primary way to add your categories and delete your categories. So let's go to delete. And yes, I want to delete. And delete. Okay, let's go back to the post screen. Okay, I promised you that I promised you I'd explain why categories are good for your readers. So let's say someone wants to read all of my posts about what I've done in the morning. They can choose the category My Mornings and view all of those posts that were published under that category. So let me demonstrate. I'll go to the blog page of our website. And at the bottom of this post, we see where it says filed under My Mornings. So I can click on this. And now I'm viewing all of the posts that were published under the My Mornings category. And the same goes with other posts. I could create categories like my afternoons, my evenings, and so on. So this is what categories are in a nutshell. I hope this makes sense to you. And just keep in mind that categories are very open-ended. Unless your website was delivered to you with specific categories already created, then you can basically create and organize categories in any way that seems right to you. So moving on, let's go to the tags box below categories. I'll go back to our breakfast post and let's go down to tags. Okay, tags are used to specify keywords or target words about your post. And you certainly don't have to use tags, but it could increase the amount of visitors to your website and to your post for that matter. So for this target keyword for this post, I could do let's see, gluten free. Okay. And I could also do scrambled eggs. Okay. And so, as with categories, tags are obviously very open-ended. This is a very simple example, but this would demonstrate just target words about your post. And you can basically use your own discretion with creating tags. It just gives you targeted information that could increase the amount of visitors to your website and to your post. Okay, that's all for this video, and as always, if you need to go back and rewatch this lesson, then feel free to do so. But if you're up to speed with the information that we've just covered, then I'll see you in the next video.